Want to know a secret? Many rich people pay themselves before they spend on anything else. They follow a rule that makes saving simple. Pay yourself first. When you get your allowance or wages, or even when you get a cash gift, put a chunk away for future you before you start thinking about spending. Or even better, automate it. Set up a regular transfer into your savings. Then you don't have to remember to save. How much should you save? Think 50, 30, 20 for your budget. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% in your savings. Use it as a guide if you're not sure how much to save. But you might find you can save more if you're not paying for things like food and rent yet. And you might need to adjust if you pay for many needs. As you get older and gain more independence, you'll find saving becomes essential. To buy a car, or go on holiday with friends, or even move out, you'll likely need savings. But we all know putting money aside can be tough. We're asking ourselves to trade a little something now for something in the future, which seems far away. And it's easy to justify dipping into our savings when you don't have much saved. So look out for quick ways to build your savings when you're just starting out. Where can you cut back? Is there a subscription you don't use? Or unwanted items you could sell online? Put any money made into your savings and watch that interest start to compound. Try not to make the mistake of splurging on payday either. Research suggests that many people blow a quarter of their spending budget within 48 hours of getting paid. No wonder they end up dipping into their savings. If you need to, take a day off social media to avoid tempting ads, and always sleep on it to reduce those impulse buys. Once you get going, be proud of your saving habit. If you have to say no to a day out with friends, tell them why. You're looking out for future you.